The next step is you can also bring whole website, whole web page into your notes as well. So I will open a new note, and here for example I open this website. Now here you can see this website has some text, some images. So here at bottom of your notes you will see this option of link and whole page. So for example I select this whole page option. Now it start adding this whole website into your notes. Okay, so I will show you. It will take just few seconds and you will see all the text and all the images. Okay, so here you can see this is the website, and on here I have my Samsung notes. So here you can see, so it add everything from the website into the notes with the images, with the text. Okay, so here you can see everything is available. Now on this web page, on your notes, you can do all your editing. Okay, so here you can see, then if you want you can use this highlighter tool. Okay, the next step is about note taking on videos or on a Zoom call. So for example I play this video. Okay, so here you can see the video is now playing. Now for example I want to take notes on top of this video. So what I will do, I just press and hold my S Pen button and I tap on the screen 2 times. So here you can see I open my notes and I can take my notes at the same time, but you can see this note is blocking the view behind. So what you can do is use 3 dots from here and then select this option of opacity, and you can reduce the opacity. Okay, so here you can see, now you can see the video at the background, and in the meantime you can also take your notes. You can also change its size. The next thing what you can do is you can open your notes in the split screen. Okay, so what you can do is you just select this split screen option. So now your notes on one side and on the other side you have your video, and you can take your notes as well. The next tip that I want to mention here is about screen recording of your notes. So for example I am taking my notes and at the background I have some video or lecture is playing. Now I want to screen record everything including my note taking. So what you can do is just bring down this quick panel, and here you see this option of screen recording. Just select it. Once you select it, here you can start recording, and now after this countdown it will start your screen recording. Now whatever I write here, it will record it. The next thing what you can do is you can use this pen option from the screen recording if you want to point out something on your lecture. So here you can see I can use this pen. Okay, and I can write anything on my screen and it will record as well. The other thing is what you can do, you can turn on the front camera. So here is the front camera option. So here you can see on this side I have this front camera. Okay, so here whatever you record it will also show you. Now for example you finish your screen recording, you can just stop it from here and it will saved into your gallery. So if you want to access it, you can just go back to your gallery. So here is my screen recording. Now you can see it is showing my note taking. It will also show you whatever I point out on the screen with the pen, and then it will also show you your front camera as well. So for example you finish with everything, you can edit it, and then if you want you can also share it. Okay, so here is the share icon. You can just select it and then you can share it in different platforms. The next step is using smart select in your Samsung notes. So for example I open my internet browser, and for example I have one Excel file, and I will show you. I will open this internet browser and I have this table. Now I want to insert this table into my notes. So what I will do is I will just use this air command icon, and then I select this smart select option. Okay, so I just select it. Now whatever you have on your screen you can select. So for example I want to select only this part, only this table. So I just select it. So here you can see now this table is selected. Now what I will do is I just press and hold it, and I can bring it into my notes. Okay, so here you can see I bring this whole table into my notes. The next thing that I want to mention here is about smart select text extraction. So I use this website, and then for example I select this part. So I just use the smart select option like that, and I will select this part including the images. So you can see over here. Now what you can do, you can only extract the text from this smart select option. So here you can see there is a T icon, just select it. So now here you can see it highlighted only the text including the labeling of diagram as well. So what you can do, you can just share it, or you can copy and paste into your notes. For example, I select this share option, and then I select this Samsung notes, and here you can see there are two options: add to existing note or add to new note. I select add to existing note. Okay, so here you can see it added to the same note, the same text. Okay, so here you can see, so here is my note. So here you can see this introduction about the heart. So here you can see, and it will also extract this labeling as well. If you want to insert this image as a whole, you can also do it. All you have to do is just select it with your S Pen, just press and hold it, and then you can easily drag it into your notes, and this is how it looks like as an image. The first tip is about inserting image directly from Google into your notes. So I open the Samsung notes and I open a new note. So here for example I want to insert some kind of image. So what I will do is I will take out this H panel, and then I open the Samsung internet browser, and I open it in a split screen view like this. So here you can see I search some images on Google. Okay, so here for example I like this image. So what I will do is I will just use my S Pen, I press and hold it like this, and I drag it directly into my notes. Okay, so here you can see I drag it into my notes and I can put it here. And now if you want, you can also change its size, and then if you want, you can label it. You can also rotate this image. So here you can see you can change its position, you can change its size, you can also crop it. The next tip is you can insert any text from a website directly into your notes as well. For example, I will go back, and here I will open some website. For example, I open this website, and then on this website I have some text. Okay, so for example I have this text. Now what I will do, I will just use my S Pen, and I just select this text like that. So I just select it, and now I can just drag and drop it into my notes. I just press and hold it with my S Pen, and here you can see I can now drag it and I can put it here into my Samsung notes. And then if you want, you can also edit this text. Okay, so here you can see I can also edit this text, and then if you want, you can also highlight it. Okay, so here you can see if you want to point out something, you can use your pen as well.